Introducing Click-to-Ad, the first tool that turns any product URL into a fully produced video ad with AI avatars and professional voiceovers automatically. No templates, no slideshows, no editing. Just paste a link and watch the AI scan your product page, extract up to 8 images, pull your brand colors and logo, and assemble everything into a polished 9 to 16 social-ready video in minutes, not days. Choose from 10 battle-tested ad templates, add lifelike AI spokespeople with perfect lip sync, customize your visuals, and instantly export for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. So now, I'm going to show you how this all works on the Higgsfield.ai website.
So the first thing you do is you go to your Chrome, then you go to the Higgsfield.ai website. You just search for it. This is the correct spelling, Higgsfield.ai. Then when you're in the website, you go ahead and create an account if you have not created one yet, or log in if you already have an account. So when you've done that, you click on the button at the bottom of the screen, then you scroll down and select click to add. Yeah, it's right there, right under Higgsfield popcorn. So you're going to click on it and it will take you to the click to add section. And here you will see a very simple interface. You just paste the link to the product, then you click continue and it will do the rest for you. So in this video I'm going to be using Timu to show this example, and I'm going to be using a gaming controller or a gaming pad to act as the product. So I'll go ahead and copy the direct link to the website, then I'll just go back to the Higgsfield website and I'll paste it right here. Then I will click on continue, and it will take some time to get the information, connect to the website, extract the images, and do the processes. So you just have to wait for a while. All right, it's finished generating all the needed details. So you can see the images that he has chosen. You can select up to 9 images, so you have to select the best one. You can see this is the main image, then this extra two are just not really needed, so I'll just go ahead and cancel them out so it do not disrupt the video generation. So you can see I have the product image and the colors. So I'll click on the next step. Then here you have to select the format, the template, that what like you are looking for, what you want to do. If it's a simple UGC, a clean minimal, a unboxing, customer review, just according to what you want. So there are different options: viral chaos, luxury, product story, cozy morning, red carpet, elegant, minimal. So you choose the best for your taste and the best for the product you are advertising. Then you click on generate, and I'm going to pause the video and continue it after generation, and you can see it here. Let me zoom in to the video. So you can see it generated quite a beautiful video. You can see all the details exactly as it was on the images on Timu, and you can see it has different backgrounds, different layers. As I selected a minimalist standard, so I can just go ahead and still download the video from here. Click on the three buttons at the down, then download it. Then you can see, then I'll try another sample again, and I'm going to be building this one from scratch instead of just copying the link. So in case you have not really established yourself as a brand, or maybe the link you are using doesn't really give you the result you want, you can go ahead and build it for yourself. And I'm going to still be using Timu, but this is another product. It's a nice shoe, so I'll just go ahead and copy the details and fill it in the details section. I've already put the name of the product. You can put any name there, it doesn't really matter. Then I've pasted the description. Then I will come right here and I will get an image of the product. Just one image is enough. You can put the 9 images or any amount of images you want, but for me, one image is enough. So you just go ahead and upload the photo of the image. So I'll go to my internal storage and locate where the picture of the image is. So it's right here. So I'll just click on it and select it. Then I'll wait till it loads. Then I'll also add my logo. This is my personal business logo. So I'll just go ahead and add it up. So I'll go to where the image of the logo is. Then I'll just select it too. Then I'll wait for the images to load. Then as you can see, everything is complete, the description, title, logo, everything. So you go ahead and click on looks good. Then you still choose the format. I'm still going with the clean minimal. So I will just go ahead and select it. As I said before, there are different options here. So you can see it's luxury and whatnot. So or I'll just go ahead and select the elegant minimal. Then I'll click on generate the video. Then as usual, I'm going to pause and continue it. And as you can see, it has generated my video. So I'll go ahead and zoom into the video, and you see everything is perfect. I just gave it one picture, a description, a title, and you can see what it created. Even the model wearing the shoe, it knows that it's a formal shoe, so he put him in like in a formal wear, in a suit. So this is Higgsfield Click to Add. Product advertisers, marketers, this is what you need to boost your sales. Just have to copy the link of the product and paste it here. Yeah, and that is the video for today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.